Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as the Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.
Thank you.
You have a very rich and interesting background. Don't mind the nomenclature of housing. We can put you anywhere because of your equipped background, richly endowed and exposed as a leader. We need competent hands like yours. There's no doubt you've rendered valuable services in all the assignments you have embarked upon in this country. You are a fitting peg in the right position. So any duty that you are assigned from this moment on is duty of a national assignment. And I say I'm ready to work with you, navigate the terrain, and say welcome again once more. Congratulations. May Allah guide you through this period. Thank you very much.